Different types of living entities and various abiotic components together constitute the feature of an ecosystem. Previously, we discussed about the biodiversity, and at the end of the class, we discussed it may be classified into three types as genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. We also discussed the genetic diversity, species diversity. Today, we discuss about ecosystem diversity. Ecosystem diversity is a community plus the physical environment that is occupies at a given time. It is classified into three or categorized into three types, that is alpha diversity, beta diversity, and gamma diversity. What is alpha diversity? The diversity within a particular area or ecosystem, usually expressed by the number of species, that is species richness in that ecosystem. What is beta diversity? A comparison of diversity between ecosystems, usually measured as the amount of species change between the ecosystems. What is gamma diversity? A measure of the overall diversity within a large region, geographic scale, species diversity according to Hunter. Gamma diversity is nothing but the overall diversity within a large region. Alpha diversity within a particular area or ecosystem. Beta diversity, a comparison of diversity between ecosystems. Okay. Now, I discuss about ecosystem in brief. What is ecosystem? The main functional unit of ecology is called ecosystem. German biologist Ernst Haeckel, in 1869 first proposed the term ecology, which is derived from Greek word oikos, meaning dwelling place or house, and logos, meaning study. The main functional unit of ecology is called ecosystem. Your idea is now very clear from the previous idea, is not it? Now we can say ecosystem is a system formed in a given area in which the living organisms function together by interacting among themselves and with the surrounding of non-living factors. Actually, an ecosystem comprises of several factors which may be dealt under categorized abiotic factors and biotic factors. Now we discuss about the importance of biodiversity.